So let me teach you how to make the best vodka pasta ever while also giving you a kitchen hack that you didn't know you needed. So I decided to team up with Mart Cobra and show you guys how practical their fire blanket can be, whether you cook a lot with fire in the kitchen like I do, or whether you just can't cook that well and might cause a little scene in the kitchen every now and again. But their blanket is so easy to use. It's made out of 100% fiberglass flame retardant material. So you just throw your blanket over the fire, you let the blanket exhaust the fire, and then you can just go back to doing what you were doing like nothing ever happened. Do you see how relieved I look? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cooking my pasta, knowing that I have this in my kitchen now. I don't have to worry about calling my leasing office, telling them I burnt down my kitchen or anything like that. So enjoy the pasta, enjoy the blanket, and click the link in my bio to get you one.